Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about this website pomlabubu.com. Pomlabubu.com is a website where you can purchase these kind of labubus, and there are so many products they are selling right now. So you should buy any product on this website or not, and what are the major problems of this website. Okay, so you can see website is approx 21 year from now. So you can see in the period of 21 years they have reviews on Trustpilot, like 221 reviews they are available on Trustpilot right now, and you can see like 90% negative reviews. So you can see no return policy, and very big scam, and you can say like don't know angle but clearly don't know stock of items that go on sale. Certain items they sold out faster than than a bot can buy. So you can see over here there are so many, you can say like negative reviews, can't control bots or just don't want to and all. There are so many, you can say like problems available on this platform. So before making any kind of purchase, you can read all the reviews on Trustpilot and you can make a better decision. So if I'm going to say like it's totally looking like a scam, so it's a very bad thing, but I want to tell you, you can see all the reviews on Trustpilot and all these are proofs. I'm not going to say anything about this brand, and you can read all the reviews on Trustpilot, but it's not looking like a good thing. It's all looking like a scam, and the scam you can read, there is a very big problem with bot, you can select bot problem, such a waste of time. Okay, so basically I really don't know what is the reason behind this thing, and why they are, you can like making these kind of problems with the customers. So you should read all the reviews before investing any money on this kind of platform, before buying any kind of product on this platform. Okay, so this is the information, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye.